Sometimes, the person who knows you best is the one who quietly celebrates your downfall. And by the time you realize it, they've already left. Not with a bang, but with a silence that stings louder than betrayal. What hurts more? Losing a friend or realizing they were never really on your side?
Ayaan and Zayden met in their second year of college. One was all spark, the kind of energy that made a room lean in. The other was all depth, a thinker, quiet, always watching. They weren't meant to be friends, but maybe that's what made the bond feel real. Late night study sessions turned into sunrise debates. Shared coffee turned into shared dreams. They both wanted the same scholarship, a full ride to Stanford's leadership program. One slot, two friends. They promised, whoever gets it, we celebrate together.
But promises made in light don't always survive the shadows of success.
Ayaan got the call first. He was in the library when the email hit. Congratulations. He looked up, heart pounding. And there was Zayden. He smiled, fist bump, laughed even, said all the right words. But that night, Zayden didn't reply to his messages, didn't show up to the celebration, didn't even say goodbye before the semester ended. And just like that, gone. No fight, no closure, just distance.
Now pause right there, because this is where it gets uncomfortable. Not every heartbreak comes from a breakup. Sometimes it's a slow erosion, a quiet rewiring of someone's soul around you.
Years passed. Ayaan did it all. Graduated, built a career, gave talks in rooms that echoed with applause. But every time he looked out into the crowd, he noticed who wasn't there. One rainy night, back in his hometown, he stopped by their old university cafe, the one where they made that promise. A waitress handed him a folded napkin. Someone left this for you years ago, said you might come back someday. It was Zayden's handwriting. You were always going to outgrow me. I just didn't know it would hurt this much to watch you become what I couldn't, but I'm proud of you, always.
Some people don't leave because they stop caring. They leave because staying reminds them of everything they're not.
Suddenly, the silence made sense. Zayden didn't leave because he hated Ayaan. He left because he hated how Ayaan's success made him feel about himself. And in that letter, there was no envy, no bitterness, just pain. Quiet, buried, unspoken pain.
The same library where they once studied now felt like a museum of things left unsaid. Ayaan realized some friendships don't end. They just transform into memories we visit when no one's watching. Here's the truth. Not everyone in your circle is in your corner. Some smiles hide storm clouds. Some congratulations carry the weight of 1,000 unspoken regrets. But that doesn't mean they didn't love you. It just means they couldn't love themselves while watching you rise. And maybe you felt this too. A friendship that disappeared in silence. But what if the real reason they left wasn't about you at all? Watch The Danger of Seeking Validation, a story that reveals what happens when you build your worth. Tap to watch, because the next story holds the part of you you're still trying to explain.